There you have it. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. It was a very tough game. It was a dirty game, especially on the side of Kaizer Chiefs. The coach's instruction was clear. Go to that game, Kapanama play with Sundowns, make sure they don't play, and then the least we can get is a drop because Beba Sabi Sundowns. Lerato, this was a dirty game.
Not dirty, nonsensical game. Nonsensical game. We can't be proud of this thing at all. Can I the player to learn Dala Bafala? Nana Sabakapil about back offer to Dalabama. I thought I had and a cook to a cow. Chelas is there. Who never to go. I want to play to Rumbacono Diretro. Dear welcome. Leave us a Chilas kiss batu. Sorry.
But for the shell my voice, lento besi pegelele namhlanje kule game Chiefs. It's uncalled for Nguli. Asikwazi ukuthula sipegelele ibhola lethu libe so. Akunane individual brilliance singakhuluma ngayo namhlanje. I mean of course we'll talk about Brendan Peterson nama save awayenzile ube sharp.
By man of the match kuzoba play Chiefs.
Ubonile now skipper besivelile khona manje. The man of the match kuzoba play Chiefs. While we wait for that player, uNdlovu uyimoshile le game.
Yeah, uNdlovu imoshile le game but kubonakala ngathi iKaizer Chiefs as a whole bona ba proud ukuthi bakwazile ukuthola idraw against iMamelodi Sundowns bebangazange abayange la elofthas ukuyodlala ibhola bebayolimaza ama player ngathi bebatsheliwe nje ukuthi liyani lapha stop iMamelodi Sundowns by any means necessary nibalimaze ukuthi nidlala kanjani anina phambili abantu laba bebangayi naphambili even second half yabo bebadlala nje uDoti sibasibukelisa uDoti na suke ezindlini bafethu sizobukela igame isosebenza lana but if sibukela uDodo kanje from iKaizer Chiefs abantu abangana plan abangana lutho so if khona abantu abafuna ukudlala ibhola professional ababukela lo msangano lo sibukelayo ingakho ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi uDodi iPSL if bavumela izinto ezikanje oDodi bo Revles nabo oVAR sinawo because liyanto leya if besine VAR Adams bowubona ukuthi bakape yena but wathola ired card Msunu wabo Revle
Lerato Msunu wabo Revle oreva masimba lo muntu lo Msunu ka Revle so as we continue
Munya
Maubheke lo referee lone you compare the same referee to Abungile Tom kwenzakalani is Kaizer Chiefs buying referees what
yeah because whatever referee tayintseng ka shoko intetsona le Abungile Tom kintiwa because men kamkho Chiefs itlenkateng play ne ba idlala le ka Dabi is the very same thing as mo kumo vele ibile higher than two and but na ba complain is like no Ndlovu no tlamile ayetseng re tlole mfukeng go ga idlala but today you can see gore Ndlovu nje gantle asidi soccer play tlamile ba dlala wrestling
hi Nguli asizama ukukhuluma ke ngama tactics of the game iMamelodi Sundowns created a lot of chances boyibona iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi yeza and ne ball position bebayithola man it's just that lama player we Chiefs bebaloke babakhahlela in this game where did Mamelodi Sundowns get it wrong if they got anything wrong
so nabo aba creator ngama clear cut chances masibabheke eziMamelodi Sundowns because by dominate le position babe na 61 but nje indaba straight ukuthi ba create ama chances amakhulu ngaleyo ndlela because uyabona ba create ama opportunities from ama aerial balls or ama bhola waphezulu bewa square yabo beba believe la kuma set piece because iKaizer Chiefs be compact lapha ne move beba aggressive beba ngabaniki ispace ukuthi bazenzele lapha even nama through passes besingawaboni azange sibone ibig 1-on-1 against uPeterson wobona basha from a distance or bashaya lo header leyo kusho ukuthi game neKaizer Chiefs basebenzele namhlanje ukuthi bazame ukucontainer iSundowns ukuthi ingawa create lawo ma opportunities amaningi
Lerato leading to this game Pirates ifethu just Stellenbosch FC so ama support the Pirates by Emily Chiefs ukuthi bafethu Chiefs melenze izinto ezi right well ref helped the Chiefs to do the right things but is this advantage Orlando Pirates
yeah they must batlame ba win game tsa bona it's a must no draw no lose so ke opportunity go ba ka ithola league gantle so ke opportunity go ba ka ithola but if le yona ge Pirates tlo fambula it's another thing tlo ba problem serious so ke yona opportunity e ba thola ska bona le troso next game until the game tsa bona e be fele ba make sure go ba collect 3 point and then league ke bona
Marangule Sundowns esiyaziyo le besides the Chiefs ayenzile ne akusi Mamelodi Sundowns esiyaziyo le the Mamelodi Sundowns you expect ukuthi shy Chiefs 5-0 ba drop kuphi bona
iSundowns ilento bengisho even na first half ukuthi iSundowns ayidlalanga kahle so akusi game iSundowns maningi ama game Sundowns edlale kanje maningi ama game Sundowns enga creator but ba win nje lapho nalapho ngoba bayakwazi bona ukudefend yabo so but it was not a great game for iSundowns I understand ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs be aggressive kakhulu but nabo iSundowns icomposure ikuphi because bajwayele ukudlala na even more aggressive side on the continent so nami ngimangela ukuthi iSundowns ayibanga ne plan ehlakaniphe kakhulu lapha na second half ukuthi bakwazi ukufrustrate Kaizer Chiefs nabo baze ngama plan ifumele babakhahlelwane egamini but ke babe calculative nabo yabo bakwazi ukuhlakanipha but Sundowns in terms of ama opportunities are straight abawa createile nama ngwabona because Kaizer Chiefs beba foster ukuthi badlala ama long balls. Kaizer Chiefs la i-comment ithi 17 fouls committed by Kaizer Chiefs it shows ukuthi bekliwa egroundini.
Asivaleni la. Jaden Adams first half committed a foul. Mtu Shabalala atswa, he got a yellow card. Was that fair?
Yes.
Yeah.
That was a yellow card.
Yes.
Second half, Jaden Adams is fouled. Sibonu ref ukipa uqalusha lempempe yakhe dizzy. I'm sure unuka namathe la icon. Ushaya impempe, stop umdlalo, ukeep cardless to upu Jaden Adams. But undluva kayitholanga. Was that a red card or was that not a red card? Yaka Jaden Adams.
I need a red card. It was not a red card. But the question kore not amile abe fair. If not amile abe fair, not undlovu nafo nandlovu not ame khale ba muntitse first half. Saqala first half nomuntu ngumthathuli I red card. So but anyway retlaring mntu. Freaky final decision, there's nothing that we can do.
Aliya bekungasi red card. Yabo if uyishayile maybe leya foul yabe sizosho ukuthi akusi bathi bashikhahlele yena mfethu ba foulele. Ukwayibona apha into enje. Ngone if yena ushaya umuntu maybe so okay yeah maybe but bashaye yena. Yinto engifrustrateile sonke la emoshe futhi ne game because uNdlovu sonke bese expected ukuthi uNdlovu athole second yellow card ahambe but no abamkhiphanga but uAdams ukapa umduko oqala wemshaya abamoni nokumona yellow card second foul bafawula yena bamnike second yellow card gone yaphela igame ke sibonile ithi game uMiguel Cardoso uzofuna nokukhala but siyabona ukuthi and Sundowns
ayakakhale mfana.
Yeah but nawe uyadelela uMiguel Cardoso ngicabanga ukuthi uvuna lokatshalile
kodwa makwenza kanje bamuphi igunya lokuthi adelele west.
Yeah
vele izinto esozimenza our football
yabona mabenza into
esozimenza ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso sonke lesikhathi beka right bekabona izinto besingazinotice ezincane yabo ngoba khona izinto uMiguel Cardoso bekazisho electara complain ngama rave athi baye emahotel abobona ubani sithi hayibo uMiguel Cardoso uyahlanya ufuna ukumosha igame bengisho mina yabo ngingazazi lezo zinto but namhlanje ngibonile ukuthi hayi abantu bayathengwa straight.
Asivaleni la ke bafethu. Lesa rapper sayivala asisayindawo asisakhuluma ngenye. The title race continues. Can Orlando Pirates win this league?
Nah, for now. I think Pirates can win a league.
Are they going to win it?
That's a tricky question here.
Oh, so they can win, but you're not sure.
But I'm not sure. And why? Because of Coach alone. I don't want to go further. But Bona, as the player, if they choose to go forward, because I can't up the Islam they must do it for themselves, not for the coach. And sometimes up the Islam, but they can win the league. They can. It's a correct chance from today. After toy, if Orlando Pirates can win the league, no, I'm telling you, I was not a chance to beside this one, after Kibona, the result is Sundowns today is a play.
And Abaka winner A, there's a chance Baka winner back to back. So this could be
a
new chapter in South African football. Ingamaka like era enja ku South African football. U18 Mackenzie ukona. Ubhekelele wonke lomsangano wenzeka la. Mele enzeni makso.
So ngizoqala la advantage Orlando Pirates kumele bawine wonke ama game wabo simple ukuthi bawine Betway Premiership that's it advantage yabo ileague isezandleni zabo ukuthi bayiluze manje ayo18 Mackenzie angazi ukuthi uminister kanjani ngoba amuzwa khuluma uthe South Africa izofika kuma semi final of World Cup
ay
yo so it shows and so khona lento lesibonisa something ukuthi ama leaders wethu if leader abantu abakhuluma izinto ezikanje if leader abantu abafuna ukuba famous aba trend online leader abantu abanga articulation yabiphua kusumuntu ongamlalela ube inspired by yena why ay lead umuntu wakhona.
Yeah, no, and all we know bafethu ukuthi if you are a leader you must be born a leader. Leaders are born. We can elect you to be a leader, but leadership yako will expose you. Siyabonga bafethu kusibukela. It's Omni Audio Africa. We were live on all our socials. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the love, the support, even the hate. But to be quite honest with you, Tina is on the moon. We just call a spade a spade. Undlovu udlale inyoso namhlanje. Urefe inyoso namhlanje. This game was a poor game and it was embarrassing to see and watch. It was disgusting ukubona lento referee ayenzile ube obvious ukuthi favor iKaizer Chiefs. Other than that, Dankos, thank you. Cerealist breakfast is ready for you to eat. Kaizer Chiefs is useless. Ngiphethu Nkulu Soccer, ngiphethu Rato Soccer. Any last words?
Thank you bafethu ngicela ukubonga kubo bonke abantu abasijoinile ku live bafethu babukela sithemba ukuthi kwamanye ama live esiba nawo noma ngithi ama watch along esiba nawo nizokwazi ukujoina wena niyaphikisana nathi you opposing me noma ke uyangithuka yeah but ngiyabonga ukuthi uspend idatha lakho uspend kwi-Wi-Fi yakho uspend isikhathi nathi ku-Omni Audio live eJohannesburg South Africa, the face of umhlaba in terms of pharmacies around the world. We're bigger than New York City. Thank you bafethu.
Any last words?
I'm disappointed. I'm defeated.
Oh, little point against Sundowns. You should be celebrating.
I'm disappointed. I'm defeated. But anyway, Retlare.
Bafethu, thank you for watching. Siyabonga. Good night. Lalani kahle. Don't drink and drive. Don't smoke and fly. Only abide by the law. Nizoba safe. Nibe right. Yabona ukuthi sazi umthetho. Danko.